Hi. Hi. Hi.
You're a great singer, yes you are. Oh boy. Phone's ringing. You need to answer that. I think it's a telemarketer. Come over and grab it. What do you say? Shut up!
I don't know why people are so afraid to pet birds. Like, I promise you guys, they're really gentle. If you let yourself do it, it's like a really serene and beautiful experience. I just don't know what people think could go wrong.
Are you ready? Okay, knock down those pins. That way. A strike! Good job!
Well, she was very pretty.
How are you?
Oh, I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How are you?
I'm fine, really. How are you?
Pretty bird.
Yes, you are a very pretty bird.
What was that? Did mommy blow raspberries on your belly? Tina? Tina? Do you like them? Do you? You want me to do them again? Tina, do it again. Tina? Do you like them? You crazy. And a cat. How about a dog? Coyote. Ow, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Good job.
Mommy, Mama needs some tea. Will you open it? Oh, thank you so much. You have a good day.
He's put his wing up for you.
Sarah, watch.
Put it in my head.
Coco thinks you're one of them.
Why? Why?
I think we got it. I think we got it, Paula. We got it. That's the best thing that's ever happened. Oh, you don't like those pages either, hey? That's what it needs. Another one.